If this is what your cotton pad looks like after using toner, you need to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to effectively remove your makeup and deeply cleanse your skin. Double cleansing involves using 2 different cleansers that each uniquely provide benefits to cleansing your skin. This process ensures that all dirt, makeup, sunscreen, grime, and pollutants are removed from your skin, leaving you with a clear and healthy complexion. Now, don't fall for the trap that your cleanser is not that important because you're just gonna wash it down the drain. That is absolutely not correct. A cleanser is so crucial and important to your skincare routine. It can make or break your skin. And in my opinion, a cleanser is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to splurge on a cleanser. It just means that you really have to spend the time and find a cleanser that works well for your skin and provides your skin the benefits that it needs. All right, let's head over to the sink and we will go over the steps needed to effectively remove your makeup. Let's go. Welcome to the sink and let's wash our face. First, let's get our hair back and protected with a headband. This is so you're not shy getting into those pores. Then you want to remove all of your accoutrements, so to speak, from your look. Things like strip lashes, gemstones, go ahead and pop those off. If you're wearing individual lashes, not lash extensions, leave those on and we will use our cleanser to melt those off. If you wear waterproof mascara, your next step is to hold a cotton pad of micellar water to your eye makeup for a few seconds to begin melting it off. No need to tug or rub, just hold it and let the formulas break the product down. If you wear regular mascara, you can actually skip this step if you prefer a faster routine with less steps. If you're enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and give a like and subscribe if you haven't already. This helps let me know what content you enjoy so I can keep creating for you. Next, we will grab our oil cleanser. This can be in the form of an oil or a balm cleanser, choice of preference. Apply your oil or balm cleanser directly onto your dry skin with dry hands. You want to be able to massage this in to attract the oils in your makeup before introducing water. Massage the oil all over, not forgetting your neck. Now, this isn't a deep tissue massage. This is just rubbing along the surface to break down the oil and grime on the skin. To remove your oil cleanser, it's important to follow the best removal method for the type of cleanser you have. If it's an emulsifying cleanser, which means it turns milky when water is added, then you can rinse this off underwater. If it doesn't emulsify, then you will want to use a damp face cloth to wipe off the oil cleanser and grime and makeup mush. Next, I like to go in along my hairline with a micellar water just to make sure that I'm getting the product out of my hairline without sacrificing my edges and my blowout. As someone with acne-prone skin, this is crucial as I tend to break out on my forehead and hairline, so I need to make sure that I don't have product buildup. Yep, that's a cotton pad full of acne. Then if I notice any stray mascara around my eyes, I'll also go in and remove that quickly with a Q-tip and my micellar water. Next, you'll want to follow up with a water-based cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and to remove any remaining impurities. This step is important regardless of your skin type, but is especially crucial for those of us with oily or acne-prone skin. Think of our first step using the oil cleanser as breaking down the dirt and makeup, and our second step, using our water-based cleanser, is now washing our face. Use your cleanser according to its directions. I'm using a gel cleanser, which I will massage into damp skin, then will rinse away any remaining impurities. Finally, I'm going to pat dry and of course do the cotton pad test. And as you can see, our skin is nice and clean to go in with the rest of our skincare routine. Remember, investing in the right cleansing product will pay off in the long run with healthy, glowing skin. Now that you've learned how to properly remove your makeup, check out this next video to make sure you aren't committing any other skincare sins. Thanks for watching. Bye!